Hey guys, welcome back to the series of HTML. In the previous video, we have learned to add the classes and IDs to the tags, and in this video, we will learn to add the styles for the tags. So let's get started. Alright, the styles we give are called CSS, which means the cascaded style sheets. So these cascaded style sheets are used to take the control of the styles of your web page. This includes the color, font size, width, and everything. And the syntax for giving the styles is the selector and the braces, and inside the braces we'll have the property first and a colon and the value for that property. So what are these terms actually? The selector, it might be a tag or the class or the ID. Whatever you specify as the selector, the style will be applied to all the elements with the same tag name or class or ID. Next one, the property. Here you need to give the property of the selected element that you want to affect. It might be a color, font size, background color, font style, etc. The value. This is a specification for the property. It might be a numeric or the mode of style. So if the property is color, then the value will be red, like that. So let's see an example. So I have the basic HTML structure, and now I'll create three heading tags. That will be H1, H2 and H3. Now we'll add some styles to these tags. As you can see here, we did not mention any class or any ID attribute for these tags. So in the head tag, I'll open the style tag. So I got my styles here. So here the content of each heading element named in the selector, that is H1, H2 and H3, will be written in Times New Roman style with red color and aligned to center. If there is only one property value pair in the declaration, then you need not to end it with a semicolon. But it's a good practice to have semicolons every time you write a rule. So there are some places where you can add the CSS rules. So you can add them in three places. The first one could be inside the head tag. We need to have the style tag, and in that you need to mention the styles. And now the second one. You can mention the style attribute inside the opening tag of any element. And now the third one. You can create a separate style sheet with the extension .css, and you can include that in the base HTML. So when the style sheet rules are held inside a style element in the head of the document, they are referred to as internal style sheets. But whereas if the rules are in another file and we are including that file in the base HTML, then they are referred as the external style sheets. But how could you link the external style sheets in the base HTML? So we use the link tag. So like this. This link tag can be used to create a link to CSS style sheets in the base HTML. When we use this link tag, these three attributes are must. So they are the rel attribute, the type attribute and the href attribute. So mostly every developer use the external style sheets, because if there are two or more web pages are going to have the same styles, then we can directly link the same style sheet to another web pages. So we have some properties while using the style sheets. That is, inline styles have more priority than the internal style sheets, and the internal style sheets have more priority with the external style sheets. So if a selector or any element have the same property with different value in all the three places, let's suppose inside the tag I have given the color to be red, and in the style tag in head I have given the color to be blue, and in the external style sheets I have given the color as green. Then which color will be applied to the tag? Red, blue or green? So the answer will be red, because the inline style sheets takes the highest priority, so it will override any role defined in any other places. So that's the introduction to style sheets. We will discuss the properties in the coming videos, and that's it for now. Hope you guys like this video. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon for instant notifications from my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.